Welcome to Enots Engineering. I'm Alan. Today we're looking at two items. The first one is using the tool setting gauge that I made a few weeks ago, how to use that, and the second one is how to turn a spherical. Now obviously you have problems with the spherical because you have to hold it somewhere, so this is done in two parts. We're turning a spherical for a Stewart steam engine where the spherical is part of the governor. So let's go into the workshop, see how we do it. And the first job is to set the tool to the correct height. Put my tool gauge on the tip, and then adjust the tool hub so it just moves when I tighten the tool. So I know that the tip of that tool is on the correct height. I'm not looking at the numbers, I'm just looking for movement. Because what that means is when that tool touches that lip, it lifts the gauge and the indicator moves. I've held a piece of 20mm bar in my chuck. It's sticking out that far because it's a long bar and I can't get it any further into the chuck. Well, the first thing I want to do is face off the bar. Now I need to turn the diameter down to about 16mm. Let's measure that to start. At the moment that's 20.26 and I want 16. That's near enough 16. I've just cut a bit more off here to give me some clearance because I want to turn a ball 16mm diameter. I'm just going to remove my compound slide and fit my radius turning fixture. 2 grub screws to undo. This should lift off. Wipe the top clean and I'll get my radius fixture. This is my radius turning tool. Dovetail on the bottom that matches the compound slide. So that goes onto the top. The 2 grub screws tighten up again. That holds it in position. In the middle I have a hole which is in the centre of the swivel. I've fitted a handle on this end, it's just a straight bar to give me some leverage, and that's my tool holder. I can cut on either side of this tool, so I need to set the tip of that to the centre line. Just resetting my tool. I have the centre bar here which gives me the centre line, and the tool tip will move in and out. I want an 8mm rad, this is 8mm, and I just lock it there at 8mm. Tighten up the screws. Let's check it's still 8mm. Yep. So move my tool across just over 8mm because I want to clean the end up. Back out the tool tip. I've just roughed out some of the material to give me some room on the tool tip. And now I'll just clear some more material away from the back of the ball. $16.22. That's the ball so far. What I'm going to do next is give it to my brother, and what he needs to do is drill and tap a hole in the end. Then insert a steel rod and we can cut it off the bar and turn the other side. Oh well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Enots Engineering.